This is a quick review of the Lansen Torch Lighter. This has got a couple of tricks up its sleeve that I want to go over. This is a very durable piece of equipment. It's got a metal body and I believe an aluminum head to it to help dissipate the heat. It is a switch-on device. It does have a lock on it, and it's got a pretty cool feature I want to get into just a second. Additionally, there's a ring right here that when you adjust, it will adjust from low to high. Since this is a butane lighter, it does require butane. It's separate, doesn't come with the kit. It's got an easy fill port down at the bottom. The great thing about this is the fact that you can refill. Unlike these cheap and expensive ones you can get at the grocery store, once you're done with it, it goes away. And let's face it, if they start, when they start, they go out, you know, little gust of wind, these go out. This guy here, let's turn it up. This guy here, not going to go out even in really strong winds. I would imagine rain also. I haven't had a chance to test it. Additionally, this has got a neat little party trick besides the case that it comes in. So if you want to give it as a gift, it's got a nice case. But there is a ring right here that you can pull out. And when you pull this ring out, it will actually change color. So it's going to go kind of from that orangish red color that we had. And now when we turn it on, we get more of a blue color to it. And since this is a torch lighter, it doesn't just work up, it works in all different directions. You know, one of the problems with these guys, if you need to get somewhere but you got to go down low, the flame always kicks back up on itself. With this torch lighter, it's almost like a jet engine. It's shooting out, so it doesn't matter if you're facing up, sideways, or down. It's just going to shoot that flame out where you want it to go. For me, I rate this 5 out of 5 stars. I think price-wise, it's a very good deal. Metal construction with aluminum tip. It's easy to fill, and it's not something you're going to throw away after a couple uses. This is something you can use for years and years to come. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more Amazon reviews.